This is an Indian arrow through the head hat. A lot of times I'll make it using a clear, but I'm going to use a blush or a light brown, because that will show up better on the video. I've got 3 1/60s, a gray, a dark brown, and a white. The gray has got about a 5-inch end left on it. The brown has got about a 4-inch end left on it, and the white I've blown up about 8 or 10 inches. We're not even going to use all of that. And then the light brown, this is going to be the part that's going to go around the head, the actual hat part. I've blown this up with about 2 or 3 inches uninflated. What I want to do is measure halfway around the person's head, and then put a twist, and then we're going to put 2 pinch twists there, just like that. And then we need another bubble the same size as this first one we started with, and then measure that off, and then put 2 pinch twists there as well. Then take the end and just twist it around into those 2 pinch twists to secure it in place. Pop this excess off, we don't need it. Secure it. So there's your basic hat. And then I'm going to take the 2 pinch twists and turn them where they're kind of vertical for the moment. That'll go around the head. Now we're going to take our dark brown. It's going to be our arrow. We're going to start on one end of it and put a pair of pinch twists. And then I'm going to go down and make about a 6 or 7 inch bubble. And I'm going to remove the excess, making sure to keep that tail inflated because we'll need it. So tie that in once you get it off. Set that aside and then secure this. And this is going to be the end of our arrow with the arrowhead on it. So you're going to take your gray, twist the nozzle into those 2 pinch twists we just created. And we're going to go about 1.5 inches or so out, make a bubble, and then make a small pinch twist. And then you want to make your point. So I'm going to angle it up and just imagine this going straight up and where it would intersect with that. Make a bubble, put a pinch twist at the end of that, and then just make another bubble. That size, a pinch and a bubble there to come back. So there's a long bubble, followed by the pinch twist, and then a bubble the same size as that one there. Twist that back into your 2 pinch twists that you have there, making sure to get it locked in. And then remove that excess, we don't need that anymore. Secure that in. And if you turn those up like that, there's your arrowhead. Now take the end of that and twist that into either side, it doesn't matter, of your pinch twist, and then turn those back out so that'll lock that in place. You'll put 1 pinch twist on top, 1 on the bottom. There's your arrow coming out one side of it. Now we're going to go to the remaining part of the dark brown that we had. Make about a 4 or 5 inch bubble, and then put a pair of pinch twists in it, like that. And then on this one, we're going to have a little piece sticking out, so make about a 3/4 to 1 inch bubble, and then pop the excess off and tie the end there. Clean that up so you've got your 2 pinch twists and a little piece sticking out. Then you're going to take your white, take the nozzle and twist it into those 2 pinch twists, and we're going to make some little feathers. So make about 3/4 to 1 inch bubble, another bubble the same size, twist into the 2 pinch twists just like that, and then repeat the process on the other side, just like that. Any excess that you have, pop it off and secure that in. So there's the end of your arrow with the feathers. And then obviously you're going to attach that to the other side of the hat by twisting the nozzle into those 2 pinch twists, and then turn them so that they will hold the arrow sticking out just like that. And there you have your arrow through the head hat.